Here we have a Haitian Bird Eater, and I've had it since it was a spiderling, and I was able to continuously hold it until it recently got about this size. And it actually was a captive hatched spiderling. It was an import sling that it came from. And still doesn't take the aggression out of them. It's a typical Haitian bird eater. The scientific name is Vermicticus cancerides. And it is an aggressive species for sure. Before taking out any tarantula, no matter how docile or anything like that, definitely to test them out and see how they're feeling that day. And I always use a straw, and I just lightly go to touch them. And as you can see, he's not very nice. And always just slightly touch them, and they're gonna either rear up and tag the straw, or they're just gonna move the other direction and not really care. But he definitely wants to bite, and you could clearly see those fangs down in there moving around, wishing he could get something. But yeah, that's a Haitian bird eater for you. That's a very typical. And I have never been bitten by a tarantula, and I own quite a few different species. But yeah, you just gotta read the signs and pay attention to them and read them and just see how they're feeling. I mean, there are days, even now, that when I do touch it and it's not rearing up and acting aggressive, and I will still attempt to pick it up and hold it sometimes, but for the most part, right now, it's definitely not having it. But yeah, it's a short clip on a Haitian bird eater, so you could see he's definitely trying to bite that straw. But yeah.